morning to all. I, Dr. Tarun Sharma, Assistant Professor of Mathematics in Biani Group of College. Today we are going to discuss some examples of vector calculus. In vector calculus, we will discuss differential operators and their applications. In differential operator, we will discuss some questions which is related to differentiations. Differentiation in vector calculus similar as differentiation in calculus. So here we will discuss one example. Here we are given that vector function r is equal to a cos t I k plus a sin t j k plus k, and we need to evaluate dr by dt, second derivative d2r by dt square and their modulus. So first of all we will start as solution. We are given vector r is equal to a cos t I cap a sin of t j cap plus k cap, equation 1. Then dr by dt is equal to d by dt r cap is equal to d by dt, and r is the relation 1. So a cos of t I cap a sin of t j cap plus k cap. We separate this like as here a is a constant, so we separate it as like constant. So we know that differentiation of cos t is nothing minus sin t and this is a cos t and this is 0. So we have minus a of sin t I cap plus a cos of t j cap. This is relation number 2. So it is first derivative of vector function r with respect to t. So it is the same as we discussed in calculus. So we find that dr by dt is nothing minus a sin t I k plus a cos t j cap. In similar manner, we can find the second derivative of the relation second as by using second. d2r by dt square is nothing d by dt into dr by dt. Here dr by dt can be put from the relation 2 here. So we see that d by dt minus a of sin t I cap plus a cos t j cap, and similar as previous way we can find that minus a d by dt sin of t I cap plus a d by dt cos of t j cap minus a, and the differentiation of sin t is nothing, it is cos t I k plus a, and differentiation of cos t is minus sin t j k. So second derivative of dr by dt is d2r by dt square, and it is given by relation third as. So we observe that the differentiation is very easy. If we know the basic formula of differentiation sin t, cos t and other trigonometric function, then we can easily find that. Similarly, we can find the relation of third modulus of d2r by dt square, it is so simple by using the property and by using the relation second. So, here modulus of d2r by dt square is nothing, it is under root of coefficient of ijk, the square of coefficient of ijk in relation third, it is minus a of cos t square plus minus a of sin t whole square. Then we know that a square cos square t plus a square sin square t, and it is nothing, it is a, because we know that sin square t plus cos square t is one as a trigonometry identity. So, we observe that the modulus of second derivative d2r by dt square is nothing, it is a. So, in this example we have observed that the differentiation of any vector function is so easy. We can evaluate the other differentiation function by using the same manner. Suppose that
my college taught me to be modern and ethical.
My college told me I can.
My college told me to be bold and daring.
My college taught me to say sorry.
My college taught me to be independent.
My college taught me to be helpful. My college made me believe in myself.
My college taught me to enjoy my life.
Biyani group of colleges, yes, where you can trust.
Suppose that we are given r is equal to t square plus 6t plus 9, and we are to ask dr by dt and d2r by dt square. So, how we proceed? First of all, we will write let r is equal to t square plus 6t plus 9. It is given relation, it is given, we are given that. So, dr by dt, differentiation of vector function r with respect to t, d by dt, and this is t square plus 6t plus 9. So, we find that d by dt, t square plus 6 constant, d by dt, and t plus d by dt 9. So, we observe that differentiation of t square is 2t and differentiation of t is 1, then 6 plus 0. 0 is why? Because 9 is the constant, and we know that the differentiation of constant function is 0. Therefore, we can say that differentiation of dr by dt, differentiation of vector function r with respect to t is nothing, dr by dt, and it is given by 2t plus 6 plus 0. Similarly, we can find the second derivative of this relation. Let us give this relation equation 1, then d2r by dt square is written as dt dr by dt, and dr by dt can be put from the relation 1. So, we can say that d by dt is nothing 2t plus 6, and the derivative is d by dt 2t plus d by dt 6. So, it is 2 plus 0 is nothing, it is 2. Then second derivative of dr by dt is d2r by dt square, and it is nothing, it is constant, which is 2. So, in this lecture we observed that the differentiation of any vector function is very easy. We can evaluate and find any vector function, any differentiation of any vector function by this manner. In the next lecture, we will show that the other properties and other theorems of differentiation function and their related operators. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe this channel and don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much.